Many players find the menu narration voice in College Football 25 helpful, but others prefer to navigate menus quietly. Today, we'll walk through the simple process of turning off this feature so you can customize your gaming experience. Step 1. From the main menu, you need to navigate to the Settings option. Look for the Settings menu item, which is typically located in the main menu options alongside Play Now, Dynasty, and other game modes. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to look for either an accessibility section or an audio section. The menu narration controls can be found in either location, depending on how the game organizes its settings. Step 3. Within the audio or accessibility settings, look for an option called Menu Narration, Voice Narration, or something similar. This is the setting that controls whether the game reads menu options aloud as you navigate. Step 4. Once you find the menu narration setting, you have two options to disable it. You can either toggle the setting completely off, or you can reduce the narration volume to 0 while keeping the feature technically enabled. Step 5. Don't forget to save your changes. Most games will automatically save accessibility settings, but it's always good practice to look for a Save or Apply button to make sure your preferences are stored. That's it. You've successfully disabled menu narration in College Football 25. Now you can navigate through menus without the voice reading every option aloud. Remember, you can always turn this feature back on if you change your mind. Accessibility options are designed to be flexible and user-friendly. Gaming is for everyone. And accessibility features in College Football 25 help ensure that all players can enjoy the game regardless of their individual needs or circumstances. The Accessibility Settings menu in College Football 25 offers a comprehensive range of options designed to accommodate different player needs. These settings include interface visuals, color filters for color blindness, subtitle options, and text size adjustments. Color filters are particularly important for players with color blindness. These filters adjust menu colors to make them easier to distinguish, ensuring that important information remains clearly visible to all players. High contrast display is another powerful accessibility feature. As shown here, it renders game elements in distinct, bold colors like red, blue, and green, making it much easier for players with visual impairments to distinguish between different objects and characters on the field. Accessibility features benefit far more players than just those with disabilities. Late-night gamers can use visual cues instead of audio to avoid disturbing others. Players in noisy environments can rely on enhanced visual feedback when they cannot hear game audio clearly. New players often find accessibility features helpful for learning the game, as they provide additional guidance and clearer visual feedback. Many experienced players also customize these settings simply to match their personal preferences and playing style. The gaming industry has made tremendous progress in accessibility. EA Sports and other major developers are now prioritizing inclusive design from the beginning of development, rather than adding accessibility features as an afterthought. Looking ahead, we can expect even more advanced accessibility features. Voice command integration will allow players to control games through speech, while AI-powered assistants could provide real-time help and guidance tailored to individual player needs. Take some time to explore the accessibility settings in College Football 25. You might discover features that enhance your own gaming experience, whether that's adjusting text size for better readability, customizing controls for comfort, or finding visual options that suit your preferences. Remember, accessibility features are not just for people with disabilities. They represent thoughtful design that can improve the gaming experience for everyone. EA Sports and other developers continue to expand these options because they recognize that inclusive design benefits the entire gaming community.